Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The shortest distance, airline, between Canary Islands and Tenerife is 71.68 miles, 115.36 kilometers. The shortest route between Canary Islands and Tenerife is 122.52 miles, 197.17 kilometers, according to the route planner.
Let's help you make your mark.
Santa Cruz de Tenerife, Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. The price of the ferry tickets for this ferry route starts from €30 for one passenger without a vehicle. Santa Cruz de Tenerife, Agate. The ferry ticket for this ferry trip costs around €43 per passenger.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are two ferry routes operating between Gran Canaria and Tenerife, offering you combined total of 99 sailings per week. Transmediterranea operates one route, Las Palmas to Santa Cruz de Tenerife, which runs one time weekly. Naviera Armas operates one route, Las Palmas to Santa Cruz de Tenerife, which runs 6 times daily.
Take our lead.
The easiest way to island hop in the Canaries, and almost certainly the most pleasant, is by inter-island ferry. All 7 of the main islands are connected in this way, with Tenerife and Gran Canaria acting as hubs. As it is a car ferry, you can hire a car on arrival on one island and take it over to the other. 23 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Go for Tenerife if you prefer popular tourist destinations with great restaurants and nightlife. On the other hand, Gran Canaria is your best bet if you want to explore the breathtaking landscapes and outstanding beaches.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.